Hi, I wanted to show you a new tool that's come out from WordPress.com. It's called Studio, and what it allows you to do is to publish a local copy of WordPress. And you can go to developer.wordpress.com/studio and download it. It's now available for Mac and Windows, and you can read all the stuff, documents and whatnot. But let's just take a look at what it does. So I've already got Studio downloaded, and I'm going to just create a brand new site, my WordPress site, and what it will do is it will put it in a folder underneath Studio. Click Add Site. And give it a couple of seconds, and there we go. We now have a local copy of WordPress that is running. So if I wanted to open the site in the browser, I'll see it right here. And then I can go to the administration panel with the dashboard, and there it goes. And from here you can access a lot of other things. For example, if you wanted to jump right into the site editor, you can just click this button. It'll open it up in a new tab, and you'll be able to access eventually, as it loads, be able to access the site editor. So for example, if I wanted to pull up the default 2024 theme and just check out the different styles, I could go over here to styles and just click around and see what's different. Going back to Studio, I can also customize the patterns, patterns right there, styles, navigation, so forth. And you can also do some neat things where you can open it up in Terminal or Visual Studio Code. I'll probably show you how to do that later. And then this is kind of a neat little feature where if you have a WordPress.com account, it will you can publish this site just kind of as a demo for a while. I think, what is it, 7 days? That way, if you wanted to share with a client or share with somebody else, you can do that. Let's see what the settings are over here. So the settings, what it just basically does, gives, if you want to change the site name at a later time, you can do that. You can also change the username and password and so forth. And you can also delete a site. So that's what I'm going to do right now, because I don't want to keep that around. But anyway, it's a cool little feature, or sorry, not a feature, cool little tool that's available from WordPress.com. Again, go to developer.wordpress.com/studio, and you can download it. You don't have to give any information. It's a little bit different than local WP, although local WP is still a great application. I think you have to give them like your email address or something like that, so that might be a turn off for some people. And then when Studio first came out, it was only available for Mac. The Windows release just came out, I think, last week. So give it a shot. If you have any questions, just feel free to leave a comment.